You may be thinking how to invest in shares and stocks in the coming new year. So, on the last edition of December 2023, NSE has given a report of the revenue, earning before tax, and earning after tax of the top Nifty 50 companies. By analyzing it, we can come to an understanding which company is better to invest in the forthcoming year rather than going for the other recommendations and losing your money. So these are the points you need to analyze. So this is the document which is being acquired from NSE portal, and this report is given by NSE, and through that report we're going to analyze what is the best investment we can acquire from this data. So this data is being in Excel form. I will showing you the Excel form that will be most useful. एक minute. That data is being connected to this Excel sheet. So these are the companies. The companies are energy, financials, materials, consumers, information technology, industrials, utilities, consumer staples, communication service, and healthcare. These 10 companies have the total turnover in billion around 17,348 billion rupees in turnover. Total turnover, which is listed 50 companies. And total earning before tax is 5,440. Profit after tax is 2004. On calculating the net ratio between the PAT and net sales is this data. What we're going to do is ascertain from largest to smallest, get the most successful and profitable sector is consumer staples, then second financials, third healthcare, and fourth IT, and fifth is utilities. So the usual market range of investment, if you invest something you get a return out of it, is 8%, but more than 8% is communication, energy, utilities, IT, healthcare, financial, and consumer staples. If you start investing in these companies in the future year, you will be getting a greater return rather than you putting your money in the FD. So this is my advice. Think about it and invest safely. Thank you.